Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Rosalyn Palatao, 42 years old. I'm single mother with one daughter. She's 17 years old. I work in Malaysia for 5 years in one employer since 2017 to 2022. I work in Hong Kong for 1 year and 1 month. I work in Philippines as housemaid in 2 years since 2014 to 2016. I know how to cook simple dishes, Chinese dishes. I know how to taking care of babies, cleaning, doing the laundry, gardening, washing cars. I prefer to work with coworkers. I'm honest, hardworking, and I'm easily learn new things or new work. I prefer job taking care of kids, newborn, elderly, or any job does not matter. Thank you.